A pleat fold is like a triangular crimp fold. So we're going to start by folding our square into a triangle. We're going to open that. Then we're going to kite fold it. So adjacent edges to the diagonal crease will be folded to the center line where that crease is. It's called a kite fold because it looks like a kite. Now, I'll take all of this and fold it in half. So basically, a crimp can also be like two inside reverse folds. So if I want this to bend this way, then I have an inside reverse fold. If you look at it this way, this is an inside reverse fold. And then we can inside reverse fold it again. And my crimp will go the other way. And this is a good thing to use to make feet or fins or legs. So either way, do like this to bend it that way, or this way where you open the sides, put your finger in, and then crimp it.